Hey there, it's Sarah, author, speaker, and advocate. And today I want to talk a little bit about how we can become completely consumed with an inability to trust ourselves or to trust others in the post-traumatic state. So while we're living in trauma and in chaos, we're often confronted with a lot of different things that make us lose our ability to trust both our own thought processes and intuition, and also to trust others, especially those in our close, intimate environment, and particularly if that's where the trauma is occurring. So, after a prolonged state of living in this kind of messy situation in which we are constantly trying to determine, what the truth is behind things that may be hidden from us, or we're constantly left second guessing ourselves. This certainly wears down the trust factor entirely. And so this is something that becomes inherently ingrained in us and is very difficult to shake, even if we've escaped these circumstances. And what's more, if we are in like an emotional abuse or a mental abuse situation, and this person is in our close, intimate space or someone we were supposed to trust, so they're, a family member or a close friend or an intimate partner, and they're constantly telling us that we can't trust our own perceptions of the situation or of them. We can't trust our own judgment. This is called gaslighting. And it's very, very common in emotional abuse situations. If this continues to occur over a long period of time, then we're kind of left with this mind-numbing state of mental flux where we're wanting to trust others or wanting to trust our own judgment, but we're unable to do so. So in order to heal and move forward effectively, we really need to learn how to trust our own judgment and our own intuition of people, places, and things, and to trust others as well. And one way we can do this is to really engage in mindful thinking and really understand where we're at each step of the way, and really be able to analyze our thoughts and perceptions of certain situations without judgment, and really try to determine why we're thinking these things or why we're thinking this way. And also we can join support groups or different social functions and things where we can reconnect with others in a healthy way, and this will help to rebuild trust as well. So trust is a very important factor that's very easily lost in trauma, but it is we are able to rebuild this post-trauma. It just takes a little time and a lot of effort. So best of luck to you. Thanks.